You say sometimes it's like I hardly know you, and maybe there's some things I never showed you. Sometimes you're certain, but you just can't get it working at all. You say to yourself somebody better will understand you more than I ever. I'll shake his hand and smile and say I understand. While I do, that don't mean I don't think about you. I know we said it's just as well that I won't keep you for myself, but I don't wanna see you happier with somebody else. Oh, why can't you just be lonely, lonely, lonely? Why can't you just be lonely, lonely, lonely? Why can't you just be lonely, lonely, lonely? I know you need someone too. This just feels so soon. I know some things should just stay broken. I'm well aware this should remain unspoken, but I've been working on the things that I was learning all wrong. Oh, I know sometimes I only twist you, and maybe I'm too proud to say I missed you. But what if here and now I tell you that I'm all figured out? Or maybe I just like how that sounds. I